In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run reports on Salesforce. We'll start on the Salesforce homepage. From here, open the app launcher. It's the grid or waffle icon in the top left of the screen. This opens a list of apps and items you can access. In the search bar or from the list, choose Reports. That takes you to the main reports home, where all of your available reports are organized. At the top of the reports page, you'll see different views you can switch between. First, there's Recent. This shows the reports you've viewed or worked with most recently, which is helpful when you're bouncing back and forth between the same few items. Next, switch to Public Reports. These are shared across your organization and are typically managed by admins or team leads. If you're looking for a commonly used report, it's often here. Then, move over to Private Reports. This is your personal workspace. Reports here are visible only to you unless you explicitly share them. Finally, switch to All Reports to see the complete list you have access to, across folders and visibility levels. If you're ever unsure where a report lives, this view helps you find it. For this walkthrough, we'll open a common example, a report called All Contacts. Locate it in the list and select it. On the right side of the row, you'll see a Show Actions icon, usually a small arrow or menu. Click that to reveal quick actions. Choose Run. This runs the report as is, applying the current filters and layout so you can see live results without going into the builder. Once the report loads, look for the option to enable field editing. Turning this on lets you make inline edits directly in the report grid for supported fields, saving time if you just need to fix a few values. Click Enable Field Editing and you'll see it switch to Field Editing Enabled. A quick note, whether you can edit specific fields depends on your permissions and the field types. If anything is locked, that's expected behavior based on your org's configuration. If you want to adjust the structure of the report, things like filters, columns, groupings, or summaries, click Edit. That opens the report builder. Make the tweaks you need, such as refining a filter to narrow the results or adding a column that provides better context. When you're done, click Save and Run. Save and Run commits your changes and immediately refreshes the report with the updated settings so you can confirm the results look right. Now, let's return to the Reports home to see another quick way to run a report from the list. Go back to the Reports page, find the report you want. On the right side of its row, click the small arrow to open the Actions menu. From there, select Run. This is a great shortcut when you don't need to edit anything. You're simply launching the report with its current configuration. To quickly recap the flow you'll use most often, open the app launcher, go to Reports, switch between Recent, Public, Private, or All to find what you need, use the Show Actions menu on a report row to run it, and, if you need to make structural changes, open Edit and then Save and Run. Along the way, use Enable Field Editing when allowed to make small data corrections right from the report results. A couple of practical tips as you work. Use the search box in Reports to find a report by name faster, especially in the All Reports view. If a report seems missing, check whether you're looking in the right folder or view. And after making edits in the builder, always use Save and Run so your changes are saved and reflected in the results immediately. That's it. You now know how to find, run, and fine-tune reports in Salesforce with confidence.